Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool Dreamy Soft Glow filter on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to Nature, add in Luminance, and here you can adjust the strength a little bit because you don't want it too much. You can also adjust the filter, but I like it with it on. Then I'm going to copy and paste the video, and I'm just going to add a blur to one of the videos here. Right click, create compound clip, and then go to blend mode and select screen. And then I'm going to the original video and I'm going to go to adjustments and I'm going to kind of play around with the temps here. And I'm also going to adjust the brightness of the video a little bit and maybe the contrast and the highlight, and just like play around with the effect here. And that is pretty much it. You can also add in filters if you would like to. Just try to find one that suits your video the best. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a little bit too much like saturation, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!